Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 19th of December. And first of all, national news. 45 MPs from Rajya Sabha, 33 more from Lok Sabha suspended on December 18. Vacancies in OBC reserved faculty post across AIMS. Parliament panel set. Chhattisgarh cabinet expansion soon, CM Vishnu Dev Sai said. Center wrote to states advised them to maintain vigil amid uptick in COVID-19 cases. PM Modi launched Varanasi development projects. Tourism Ministry 70.24 lakh foreign tourists visited till October. Communications Minister Ashwini Vaishnav introduced Telecommunications Bill 2023 in Lok Sabha. And now some international news. Egypt's al-Sisi swept to third term as president with 89.6% of vote. More than 300 rescued from floodwaters in northeast Australia. Iraq held first provincial elections in a decade. Car plowed into parked vehicle in Biden's motorcade outside Delaware campaign headquarters. US defense chief arrived in Israel expected to plan next phase of war. Saudi Arabia planned gaming district in Qiddiya, its first entertainment city. Now some sports news. Ashdeep reveals spending time with Avesh Khan a day before first ODI boosted his performance. The Indian Premier League 2024 player auction is all set to take place on December 19 in Dubai. IPL 2024 auction, two star players withdrew question marks over Australia World Cup winners' availability duration. Pakistan penalized for slow over rate in Perth Test, lose two World Test Championship points. Business related news. Decline in FDI temporary India's long term growth story, strong DPIIT secretary. Write-off era over asset quality review served banking well, SBI chairman. GE seeked extension in December 21 deadline for merger with Culver Max. Google has removed 2,500 fraudulent loan apps from its Play Store, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said. Saudi Arabia emerged as top destination for skilled workers, government to Lok Sabha. Government to offer 26 blocks at ninth round of commercial coal mine auction on Wednesday. That's all in news. Thank you.